truly special to share. It's the Barbie Deluxe Style Rare Find Midge doll featuring the iconic Steffie face mold.
Today we're going to do a review of the Barbie Deluxe Style Target exclusive Rare Find Midge doll.
Now let's get into this Deluxe Style Chase Midge variant doll.
Today we've got a very special doll. This is the Barbie Deluxe Style Barbie Rare Find Steffie doll.
Deluxe Style Midge doll. She was the rare find.
This is the Chase variant of the Barbie Deluxe Style doll.
This is Midge. Midge from the Deluxe Style series. Oh my gosh, you guys. She is here. I cannot believe I am holding this doll.
Could you die? Could you just die right now? I mean, okay, so to everybody out there who didn't get one and who is like mad about it and sad about it like I was, try again. Keep trying. Maybe one will appear. It's April. Like, I did not think we would find one of these in April. But lo and behold, here she is. And my friend, that doll guy, found two. Found one for him and one for me. So, because I'm pretty sure if he just found one, he would have found one for him and he would have moved and never talked to me again. I'd have found him, blocked on all social media. But that's a different story for a different day. I'm just kidding. We're really good friends. It's fine. Maybe we'd work out joint custody or something. But anyway, I am now in the possession of this lovely, lovely creature. And I am going to unbox her because I'm an out-of-box collector. I'm not an in-box collector. And I am just dying to see her. So we're going to take her out of the box. We're going to take a good look at her. We are going to love her. She does have a little bit of a wonkiness with her bangs. I don't care. That can be fixed. Bangs do not concern me. They just don't. So let's see. Do we have any tape? Or I got one of the Millies. You think I would remember. So hang tight while I work on getting our girl out of her tomb here. I got it open. Let's see, she just pulls right out. Does she just pull out? She just pulls right out. Look at that. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I am dying. I am just dying. So, of course, you guys, you've seen it. You've seen the box. It's got the Barbie Rare Find on it. It's got our redheaded girl here instead of Millie. That's on the back of the normal box. You've seen it, right? So here she is out of the box, looking beautiful. Her outfit's the same. I think the biggest difference is she has a different necklace because Barbie says Barbie on it. But other than that, I think the outfit's pretty much the same. It always makes you nervous when people cut them from the front, but I think I'm going to have to. I scratched it.
Scratch! Scratch! Oh my stars, for the love of Liza. You scratched it. You picked it up in clear daylight and you scratched it.
I'm holding on to the packaging in case I ever want to put her back in here. I don't perceive that but being a thing, but it could be a thing. She is free. So if you're a sane person and you don't know what's going on here, this is a doll that was released just recently. Mattel, in their infinite wisdom, put out this line of dolls called Barbie Deluxe Style. And she's meant to be a little bit fancier version, but a playline doll nonetheless. But for some reason, they decided to put out a chase variant, which would be a rare doll that would only be put out briefly. So only 2 copies were sent to Target stores nationwide. It was a thing they decided they were going to test market for whatever reasons that they had. And collectors have gone crazy over her, gaga crazy over her, because of this face sculpt that's being used. So this is the Steffie face sculpt, and I'll give you a little history on that. In the 70s, they came up with this doll called Steffie, and she was a friend of Barbie's, and she used this face sculpt. And Steffie was around, I think, just for that one run. I don't think she was ever repeated again, if I remember correctly. But that face sculpt stuck around because it was wildly popular. People really liked it. And so they used it again. And it's a beautiful face mold, as you can see. Then in the 80s, it got used for PJ. And she was another popular friend of Barbie's. So it got used in the 80s for Whitney, who was another one of Barbie's friends. In the 2000s, we see Midge use the face mold. So this has been a continually in use face mold, several different generations of Barbie. Barbie's had multiple faces in this timeline, but this face mold keeps coming back as one of Barbie's friends. So, and Midge is an important player in the Barbie universe because Midge was Barbie's first friend. She came around in the 60s, and then she was gone for a while, and she came back in the 90s. And I collect a lot of Midge dolls. That's when I was an active adult collector. I started my journey, I should say, as an active adult collector. And so I have several Midge dolls from that time. And then in the 2000s, Mattel did this Barbie in the Dream House series. I don't remember the exact series, but I'll try to put it on screen here somewhere. This is not in my age range, so I didn't watch it. She was part of that series, and they brought Midge back again, but they used this face sculpt for those dolls. So now, right, it doesn't really matter almost how old you are, you're going to have some kind of reaction to this face mold. You're going to have some kind of understanding of her. In this doll here, they're not calling her Midge, but because they've given her red hair, which is Midge's signature hair color, So if you see a ginger doll, you automatically associate that with Midge. So there's that association with Midge, even if you're an old Barbie collector. There's the association with the PJ face mold, or the Steffie face mold, if you're, a Steffie face collector. If you are a modern collector, she's just a beautiful doll, and she fits nicely into the modern universe, right? And maybe you're familiar with that series that was really popular. So this appeals to a lot of collectors. So the fact that they chose this wildly popular, like a doll that they knew would sell this well, and they chose that for their Chase variant, to me seemed kind of cruel, because now there's a lot of people that have been left out who really want this doll. My friend, that doll guy, and I, being two of them, like, we were devastated that we couldn't find this doll. And how did he find her? He just randomly was in Target one day, and there she was. Like, literally, that text message I sent you, or I showed you at the beginning, that text message I put at the beginning, those were literally our words back and forth that day. He literally sent me that picture of them in a bag on his chair of his car. Like, we were freaking the frick out, you guys. So keep the faith. If you've not found one yet, keep the faith. So I know a lot of you have seen this doll. You've seen lots of reviews of this doll. So if you want to skip the rest of this, that's cool. I get it. Hit a like and a subscribe on your way out. Let me down below. Do you have her? Were you able to find her? Are you still searching for her? Do you not care? What is your relationship with this face mold? Do you remember her from your childhood being any of those dolls that I mentioned, or is this all brand new to you? I'd be interested to hear what your relationship is with this doll and with her face mold. That being said, for everybody who wants to stick around, I'll give you a little lowdown on the doll and what she's wearing. So she's dressed in this really cute baby doll dress. I've noticed these have come back in fashion. Everything comes back around, right? So this cute big bow in the back. And there was a Midge doll that was put out as a part of this series, and she's dressed exactly the same. Again, the biggest difference is her necklace is Barbie, and this one is a heart. She got these cute shades on her head, the little pearls. Those are cute. She has a little purse and a little pearl necklace. She's wearing leggings. They're fishnet sparkly leggings underneath, and they're footless leggings, and these cute high-heeled shoes. So she's really adorable, really nicely made, just a beautiful doll. Oh, she is articulated. She's not on a made-to-move body, but she is articulated. She does have, elbow joints. She has knee joints. Her feet are just a high-heeled foot. She does not have ankle joints. She doesn't have like the upper arm or the upper thigh, and they're not double jointed. So she's just got the 90-degree, joint. But that's fine for me. Like, she'll pose well, and she'll look really cute in my collection. So she fits in perfectly for me. I have several Steffie face molds from the 90s. I have a couple, I don't know about several, but I have a couple from the 90s. So in my grouping here, you can see there is my Cool Times Midge, and there is my Style Magic Whitney. Style Magic Whitney, she's been with me since 1988. I collected her as an adult collector. And Cool Times Midge, I got her in a lot with a bunch of Barbie and the Rockers dolls. And then there's one more Steffie face mold I forgot about, and that's my Tara Lynn. I got her just maybe last year, I think, sometime. But she is a Western style doll. Here's her hat. It doesn't fit on her head because she's got a lot of hair. Well, so I recorded an outro, but I don't know where it is. So I came back over here. And we are in the club, enjoying brandy, singing with our Barbie and the Rockers All-Star Tribute Band. And our girls are here, and they're at the club, and they're enjoying each other's company. I hope all your dolly dreams come true, that you find that doll that you've just been looking for forever. I hope she falls into your lap, or he falls into your lap this week, and that you get lots and lots of joy. Have fun, enjoy yourself, get in touch with your inner child, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.